Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2534th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good afternoon, traders. This video coming at you on a Thursday night for Trading Thursday through Friday, February 17th, 2023. Before we get started, please remember the risks behind trading. It's a very risky game. Never, ever trade without putting your protective stops in first. And know that you can lose more than you have in your trading account if you don't put your stops in. Make sure you put them in first. All right, so first things first. Sorry for giving you one of these desktop shoots. I wanted to get in front of the camera, but the OMNI has changed direction. And I like to get those videos out for you right away. So the OMNI has flipped for short-term day trading. It has flipped from a buyer of dips to a seller of rallies for trading Thursday night into Friday. Now, interesting that we've got this nice bull flag, and it's gyrating inside of the bull flag. Went to the top, just got a little above. Went to the bottom, just got a little below. Back to the top, heading towards the bottom. That's fair game, right? It's playing inside of the flag. We have a must-hold area right here. And here's why. For trading on Friday, we'd love to see, no matter what the market does, come down, drop down, hit the bottom of the flag. We'd like to see it come back and get above this channel before the end of the day. We don't want to really settle below the flag and below the channel. So I'd like to see it hold here, but here is really the spot. You know, the channel can be violated a little bit, just like the flag can be, and it's still valid. So we'll see a little violation down to the bottom of the flag and back up would be just fine, but we are going to start off as sellers of rallies in the OMNI S&P. Now, the one scary thing is this whole flag and this whole channel is built below the double top, right? This whole big spot here, it's the double top, top one, top two. So we haven't bested that yet. And it's starting to show me some downward movement for trading on Friday. Let's hope it stays inside the flag. Yes, we'll be short. Ride it down a little bit. Let's hope it doesn't get too far away from the bottom of this flag and rides its way back up. But for now, we're going to start off selling rallies in the OMNI S&P Thursday night to Friday. Look at the Russell. Russell has another one of those spots that I call a must-hold area. Look at this fantastic channel right here. Right, look at how smart this channel has worked. Holding. The top only violated for a couple of days. Held here. So the channel seems to be working. The middle line is kind of useless. It's just there. In fact, let me get rid of that middle line because we don't need it there. So the channel has been working, but we are in a spot where we'd like to see tomorrow's close stay inside that channel. We will sell rallies if we can get a fill in the OMNI S&P and or Russell. But again, I like that we're in this channel, and I'd like to see it, even if it violates the channel for half the day, get back above. If not, we'll ride this puppy lower and see where it wants to go. All right, traders, so we're going to sell rallies, OMNI S&P and or Russell 2000 if we can. There's one more chart I wanted to bring up. The bond chart. I've been telling traders to keep their eye on this chart for the last 10 days. Keep your eye on this chart. Well, it did actually break that spot and is forming this channel on the way down. Something to keep in mind for trading tomorrow is now we're getting to the spot where you may find people seeking a double bottom. You might find traders thinking that this is a double bottom here, so keep your eye on that. We were quite bearish once we broke the channel and expect it lower, but you may get something down here, so keep an eye on this chart. Okay, kids? That's what I wanted to show you. Remember, join me at livewithoscar.com. I'm always there. No credit cards are required. Just join me in my live trading room. Please like, share, and subscribe to these videos. I'd much appreciate that. And then keep your stops out of trading. Say this with me, kids, because by now you must know what I'm about to say. Are you ready? Stops are in. Emotions are right, traders, good luck out there. Remember, for short-term minded, we are sellers of rallies in U.S. indices.